Here's why you should never talk to the other insurance company after you've been in an accident. My name is Luke Mullen. I'm a personal injury attorney at Jezik & Moise, where we've recovered over $200 million for our clients. Been dealing with this issue recently, so I want to give a word of advice to anybody that's been in a car accident. You do not need to talk to the other insurance company. And in fact, you shouldn't talk to the other insurance company after your accident. I'll give you one example to illustrate this point. Say that you're in an accident, and the next day, the other insurance company calls you and asks you all kinds of questions about it. And they ask about your injuries, and you say, oh yeah, I was hurt in my neck, my back, and my leg. But then a week later, you go to the doctor, your shoulder is hurting, you get a scan of your shoulder, and it turns out you tore something in your shoulder. And it turns out to be your biggest injury from the accident. Later, you might be at trial, and you might be talking about your injuries and saying you hurt your neck, your back, your leg, and your shoulder. And some defense lawyer is gonna say, wait a minute, you talked to somebody after your accident, and you didn't say anything about hurting your shoulder. You can see how even if you're doing everything right at the time, you talking to the other insurance company can cause problems for you later. That's why we always advise our clients not to talk to the insurance companies. And in fact, that's a benefit of hiring a lawyer, because if you have an attorney, he or she will talk to the insurance company for you, and you can focus on getting better. At Jezik & Moise, we have a team of personal injury attorneys that will be happy to discuss your case with you, so give us a call.